David Myers, and I oversee Urban Renaissance Group's Denver assets. Market Center is a collection of 5 historic buildings built between the 1870s and 1890s, comprised of approximately 120,000 square feet, has office and retail tenants. The words that I would use to describe Market Center are collective, authentic, and vibrant. So some of the unique features that Market Center has is an extended sidewalk, new rooftop patio, new lobby entrance off of the 17th Street side, renovated restrooms, and a new 5-story mural. By far the biggest success of our project was getting permission to extend the sidewalk and take away a parking lane. This allowed us to add patio spaces for our retail tenants, really invigorating the pedestrian experience. As far as challenges, as with any historic project, we'll find things that are unexpected when you tear open walls or uncover floors. One of the biggest ones was finding an unsupported staircase, which we had to bring to code, and finding a few underground vaults, which are unexpected. Surprising fact about Market Center is that we've been able to do all of the renovation work while still maintaining a very high occupied building, both from an office and retail perspective. The last 18 months have been very challenging, but at the same time very rewarding. Being able to accommodate tenants during the construction was something that we really prided ourselves on. In considering our goals for Market Center, some of the things that influenced our decision was really the explosion of growth that's occurred in Lodo and how the competition from new or Class A buildings was influencing the area. And so in order to stay competitive, we knew that we had to reposition this asset to maintain tenancy. True to its name, Urban Renaissance Group specializes in the repositioning of historic assets, of which Market Center is a perfect example. We pride ourselves in creating Class A historic assets.